Alright, so we have a brand new Tesla Model Y. Received full paint correction, Ceramic Pro gold package, and then also Kavaca PPF. So PPF is paint protective film, and that is used to help prevent rock chips, scratches, all the little things that will mess up our second largest investment is protected. Then you got the coating that helps with the ease of maintenance and the minor stuff, the kids' backpacks, the purses, a minor shopping cart running into it. All these protective coatings, PPF, together make for one dialed in vehicle. Check out the wheels. Nobody likes to scrub on wheels. They're all taken care of. Ceramic Pro Houston, come check us out. We specialize in paint protective film, ceramic coatings, paint correction, detailing. Got you covered. Who's next?